Okay, this is our first logarithm lesson, and we have a definition of a logarithm of y with a base of b. A logarithm denoted by log base b y is defined as the following, as log base b y equals x. If and only if, notice this, the logarithm can be written as an exponent. So b to the x power is equal to y. Given that b and y are positive numbers with b not equal to 0, or not equal to 1. All right, so let's do one of these. We want to take this logarithm and write it as an exponent in exponential form. This is your base, this number is your base. This number is your exponent. And this number is the answer that you get. So what you're doing is you're taking the base of 2 raised to the 5th power equals 32. And if you notice, it makes a loop. You start here, it goes here, and it comes back. So 2 to the 5th power equals 32. So if I were to do this one, I do the same thing. 7 raised to the 0 power equals 1. So 7 to the 0 power equals 1. All right, 13 to the 1st power equals 13. 1/2 to the -1 power equals 2. So 1/2 raised to the -1 power equals 2. And then when you rewrite as a logarithm, you do the same thing. You're going backwards, but you're writing it as a logarithm. So you're making that same loop, and you go log base 2 of 32 equals 5. So to write that as a logarithm, we're making that same exact loop. So 3, so log base 3 of 81 is equal to 4. All right, to evaluate, you're thinking to yourself, okay, 3 raised to some power, like if that were an x, is equal to 81. So 3 raised to the 4th power is 81. So you can do it in your head, this is 4. Or you can type it in your calculator. When you type it in your calculator, this button right here, and I don't know how well you can see it, this button right there, this one right here, will evaluate it, and you see the setup, I hope. So if we were to do that, we're going to put 3 in the first blank, 81 in the second one, hit equals, and it tells us that's 4. Same thing here, clear it, hit that same button. You're going to put 4 in the first little block and 0.25 in the next one, and it tells you that it is -1. So if we were to do this one, again, to put 1/4 in, hit your, either change it to 0.25 or you can actually put a fraction in that, scale over till you get to the blank right there, put 256, and it tells us that that is -4. So I think you see this. But this one would be -2. So, and all I did was take 7 to second power is 49, and since it's written like this, I knew it had to be a negative number because the base is, anyway, the base is kind of backwards. So 49, 7, 1/2. So I didn't do it right. So that's good. I don't know where my brain went. All right, 1/3. So again, hit that button, hit the fraction button, 1/3, put 9 in, -2. This is the one that would be negative. Okay, and that is all.